Ubla Lotak, Kanwat Pizzy. Today is Monday. What day? All day today, let's be responsible. Always try to do our best, cooperate with others, and let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. This week, we will focus on how to practice empathy in classroom. Here are 6 ways to practice empathy. First one is listen actively. Second one is withhold judgment. Can anybody tell me or can discuss with your partner what do you mean by withhold judgment? Withhold judgment means that you are not labeling your friend or anybody or your classmate who's trying to share something. For example, if I share with my friend that I was walking to the school and I found $10 and I kept it. I know that wasn't the right thing to do. And now I know that, but I'm feeling really guilty and I'm feeling sad about what I did. And I share that with my friend and I don't know what to do next. And instead, my friend tells me, "What? You stole money? You are stealing, Surmeet. You are a liar." I would not feel like sharing anything with my friend again. But instead, if she helps me feel better, tells me that I'm glad you are thinking about making things right, let's do it together, let's give this in the office, and whosoever this $10 belong to, they can collect it. We can post it on Facebook that we found $10 and they can come collect it. So let's make it right. And she is not judging me then, right? So that's what it means to withhold judgment, that you do not judge anybody when they share what happened and how they are feeling. Be understanding, show empathetic body language. Can you give me one example of empathetic body language? Hugs can be one. If you know your friend is feeling sad and might need a hug, that's kind of empathetic. A smile goes a long way. Smile is also a body language that shows that you care. Another one is practice mindfulness. That is sometimes when we get overwhelmed, and if somebody is sharing and we don't know what to do and it's overwhelming, we can start with deep breathing, go for a walk, try to understand. We could just practice mindfulness. That's also a way to show empathy. And sometimes we might be in a situation where we wouldn't know what's happening exactly. So we should be asking right questions. So open-ended questions cannot be answered with a yes or no response. Open-ended questions requires longer responses. Like somebody might need to explain what happened, or it's more than one word. Today, if you use any of these skills to practice empathy in your classroom, please share it with me. I am so happy to announce that Molly Talk To was nominated for the Student of the Week. Do you guys know her superpower? Her superpower is lightning fast multiplication skills, and she can even solve the toughest 4th grade math problem. She has leveled up both in phonics and reading skills. She continues to enjoy reading and sharing books with her friends. Most importantly, Molly's strengths are that she is caring, kind classmate, and she always makes sure to include others and go out of her way to check in on her classmates. Isn't that wonderful? Awesome, Molly. And one trivia fact about Molly is that her favorite book is Dog Man comic books. And fun fact about Molly is that her laugh is so contagious that anyone around her can't help but laugh too. We are very proud of you, Molly. Keep it up. This announcement is for grade 3rd to 8th. There is still time to join Inupiaq Spelling Bee. Anyone in grade 3 to 8 can meet Angie in Commons at 3:35. The practice happens on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. If you are interested in Inupiaq Spelling Bee, please meet Angie in the Commons at 3:35. I hope you all have a wonderful day today. Happy learning!